there, I'm Arushi, and today I want to introduce you to a remarkable kitchen appliance, Voltas Beko 183-liter 4-star direct cool refrigerator. This fridge not only elevates your kitchen's style but also adds immense functionality to your daily life. Let's talk about Freshness. The fresh box with the crisper humidity controller has been a game changer for my fruits and veggies. They used to lose their crispiness too quickly, but now they stay fresh and delicious for an extended time. Now let's talk about its stylish design. The fairy flower blue color adds a refreshing touch to my kitchen, and its sleek look harmonizes effortlessly with any decor. But this fridge isn't just about aesthetics. It's packed with smart features. Let me share a story about a busy weeknight dinner. I needed extra space to store a large pot of my famous spaghetti sauce. With the adjustable toughened glass shelves and the gloriously wider 60-centimeter cabinet, I could effortlessly make room for my culinary masterpiece. No hassle, just smart storage solutions that made hosting dinner a breeze. Now let's explore the magic of the chiller zone. On a sweltering summer day, when you crave for an ice-cold dessert, just place your treats in the chiller zone. And within few minutes, you are ready for cool summer delights. The chiller zone effortlessly fits 5 1-liter bottles arranged horizontally for efficient storage. It's like having a dedicated compartment for quick and effective cooling. Now here's where the magic happens. During a recent family get-together, I had a variety of beverages to serve. Thanks to the 2-liter bottle storage, I could neatly arrange all our favorite drinks, making it easy for everyone to grab what they wanted. It's these thoughtful details that make hosting effortless. Running low on kitchen counter space? The base drawer came to the rescue for storing my potatoes and onions neatly, freeing up valuable counter space for meal prep without sacrificing organization. Meanwhile, the Flex Lift door cabinet offers adjustable storage space, making it perfect for accommodating taller bottles and items with ease. Living in an area with voltage fluctuations, the stabilizer-free operation has been a savior. No more worrying about power surges damaging my fridge. It runs smoothly no matter what. Plus, with the 4-star rating, this fridge keeps things cool efficiently while being energy conscious. In summary, the Voltas Beko 183-liter 4-star direct cool refrigerator is not just an appliance. It's a kitchen companion that brings both style and functionality to your home. Whether it's stylish design, smart storage, or preserving freshness, this fridge has it all. If you are looking to upgrade your kitchen, I highly recommend giving it a try. You won't be disappointed.